Last week our team got to go to Lismore and we had a lecture week. We had Pastor Alan come and talk to us about evangelism and learn new things about it and change our mindset of how we go out and do evangelism. We then got to go out into the streets of Lismore and talk to people and just reach them on a really genuine level. We went up on one of the beautiful hills up the top of Lismore and pray out over the whole city.
So through our teaching in Lismore, I just really felt it was put on my heart that we can't be the judge of who's ready to hear the gospel. And when we got to Port Macquarie, I just started sharing with this lady that was selling records in a shop, and she might not be someone that you think would be receptive to hearing the gospel, but it was amazing how she just broke down with so much emotion and was just craving to hear more and more. And it just showed me God has a heart for everyone and He's already planted seeds, and we just need to be bold in sharing this gift with anyone and everyone.
In Port Macquarie, where we are right now, we've been able to help Samaritans Purse, so that entails not only restoring people's houses but also being able to make an impact in people's lives and showing them just a really Jesus example. And we've also had an opportunity to go on the street and evangelise and go to soup kitchens, and just it's been so fun. But also playgroups help grow the children in the Jesus way, and youth groups to come. Got to play some frisbee.
I've seen God moving in Port Macquarie, specifically at one house that we were working in with Samaritans Purse. There was a gentleman there who had just thrown out his back, but he was renovating his own house completely. But we were actually able to come in and rip out a lot of the chip rock. But he was actually just moved to tears that someone wanted to come and meet him with where he was at and come and do, a full day's labor with no pay, no kind of payback. We just wanted to love and bless him. And we got to share with him a bit of why we do it, and that's because we love Jesus. And it was just so cool to see him get that for the first time. Yeah.